6, we're going to talk about God's wisdom and prayer. Listening to the voice of God means that we can hear Him in different ways. There are all kinds of different ways to hear God, as Dr. Mark Nicholas spoke of, Pastor Nicholas. We can see Him, we can hear Him through other people, through a sunset, a sunrise. But what if we can't hear Him? Perhaps there's something going on. Perhaps God's calling us to have patience. There may be all kinds of reasons why we can't hear Him. Seeking out a coach, a disciple, a counselor, a spiritual mentor can all be helpful ways to think through how to hear God, how to break through maybe some kind of feeling or perhaps stopping of the message of God. But having goals and a ministry plan can also help in that type of a circumstance. Just knowing a direction and a calling, being focused when there's a bit of a challenge going on, and knowing that there's a bigger plan than just that crisis of the moment. It can alleviate a lot of pressure, feeling like you have to be forced to hear the voice of God. Prayerfully seeking His direction through a ministry plan allows a well thought out framework to allow God to work. So I like to think of Joseph, and in the well, his brothers weren't all that fond of him, and he came out into the fields with his coat of colors, and his brothers decided to throw him in the well. And perhaps, just maybe, as he was in the well, there might have been a chance that he took some time to think about his obedience to God, what God was calling him to do, maybe how he was hearing God. His relationship with God somehow maybe was enhanced or turned a corner, or his faith was built. Maybe getting out of the well built his faith as well. But we do know that when he goes and ends up in Potiphar's servanthood, that he is very loyal, and he also knows God clearly and knows his loyalty to Potiphar when he ends up in Potiphar's house and his wife is seductive to him. He knows his calling, he knows what he's about, and he doesn't stay to find out what might happen if he stayed in the house with Potiphar's wife. So, isn't it that way with us? We can decide ahead, we can think through and really plan and be proactive about our walk with God. And if we hold on tight, God might call us to let go, and maybe our plans will not be what God has in mind, but at least we've set a direction, and God can move and grow and change and form the plan as He sees fit, as long as we hold it with open hands. And so it is, we pull wisdom from the Word of God. Prayer provides wisdom from God. God is faithful and provides for all of our needs in His own way, in His own timing. How are you hearing the voice of God? How am I hearing the voice of God? How is the wisdom of God available to you? Are you seeking the Lord's face daily? Have a great week.